Assalamu alaikum guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. बहुत दिनों के बाद vlog कर रहा हूँ basically. I am going to Shyama Prasad Stadium in Bambolim now. I'm on the way. And वहाँ पे हो रहा है the Global Business Summit from Amazing Goa. And हम लोग भी वहाँ पे part ले रहे. We have a booth over there, like where I'm working. They have taken a booth to showcase their own business. So for the confidential purpose, I won't show my booth, but I can show you the entire thing, what is going on there and how it is. And it is a 3-day event. Mostly today is 8th, tomorrow 9th and 10th. So 3 दिन का ये है वो event. And there are few world records which are going to be there. So कितना मेरे से cover करने मिलेगा and how much time I'll get to cover it, I'll show you guys the global summit. और कुछ यहीं रख देता हूँ. आज फ्राइडे भी है तो मुझे भागना भी होता. जो लगा मुझे क्या.
बाइक तो मैंने पीछे पार्क कर दी एंड हियर वी आर. तो बेसिकली मैं अंदर जाके बताऊंगा कैसा क्या है. एंड दिस इज द अमेजिंग गोवा ग्लोबल बिजनेस समिट 2024. So here we are in the stadium, and as you can see, all other business booths, different kind of businesses. मेरा बूथ तो बहुत पीछे है. I'm just walking in. Hey guys, it's day 2 today. कल तो बहुत hectic था. I didn't get time at all to vlog. And same setup, no changes. But कुछ चीज़ें कल नहीं दिख रही थी. Like you know, this tree made out of waste. Looks really pretty, yeah. The way they made it with all the flag colors on the bottles. Guys, this is the world record. I'll just show you what it is exactly. मैं भी थोड़ा confused था. So it's golden record site. What is in detail about that golden record or world record of this thing? I'll explain you in the later section of the video. क्योंकि फिलहाल मैं ड्यूटी के लिए लेट हो रहा हूँ. सो आई एम जस्ट मूविंग इनसाइड. फ्रंट गेट बंद था, सो वी हैव टू पास ऑन फ्रॉम द साइड गेट्स. सो करंटली इस तरफ तो कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स ऑल एम्प्टी दिस साइड. देयर इज दिस क्रेन. एक कल एक क्रेन देखा था, उस पर लिखा था इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट क्रेन इन गोवा. समथिंग इट वाज रिटन यार. इवन आई एम नॉट श्योर. अबे यार यहाँ पे भी गेट बंद है. अभी क्या स्टेडियम ही नहीं खुला है क्या? मैं ऑल द वे पीछे से आना पड़ेगा अभी. सो बेसिकली टुडे इज़ डे 2 एंड मोस्टली देयर इज वन मोर गाय हु इज़ कमिंग अप टू अमेजिंग गोवा. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टाइम इज़ कमिंग बट लेट्स सी. देखते हैं कभी तक आएगा. सेकेंडली दिस इज़ अ फूड कोर्ट. आई नेवर न्यू फूड कोर्ट इज़ हियर. सो आना है. We have to come and explore all these places. So I'll come back later, maybe in the evening, maybe around in the afternoon, depends. So whenever I'll be free, I'll meet you. So see you guys. So finally, as I told, someone is going to join. So here he is, Mr. Leon. So just got time on the second day to just go around. So हम लोग वही देख रहे हैं क्या है क्या नहीं. And we are near the stage right now. Not stage but सब है यहाँ पे. And then yours is this one, right? So Leon का basically booth is this, Tangentia. But वो यहाँ पे है. वो घूम रहा है और मेरा पीछे की तरफ है. And we are just going around. They have a nice this thing, Mare.
They bought cars inside. Yeah, no?
ऐसे घूमने का है ना।
Even though this thing Punch is kept there, Grand Vitara. Seriously? Grand Vitara को वो लोग इतना advertise कर रहे हैं, they could have shown.
वो छोड़, वो देखो वो कटिंग लॉन है। हम सोच रहे थे ऐसे घूमने के लिए।
No, no, they use it for normal purpose also, no? Normally they can do it, but then for lawn cutting and also they'll do it, na?
I guess which is in abroad that is a much better than this.
I have seen this, someone is having the same passion. But see, they are showing this Grand Vitara, na? Grand Vitara, more than Grand Vitara, I think the Invicto is having more features. That is also there. I think only because it, no, even Invicto is this thing hybrid.
छोटा है इसलिए है।
Yeah. I didn't know things.
मैं कुछ बोलने वाला था।
I know. Even I was supposed to tell something, but then I was like, छोड़ दो. कुछ याद आया, किसी की याद आई. So I was like, let it be. We are just looking at something in interest. To be honest, management ने इतना कचरा किया है ना यहाँ पे. They have.
Director of education.
Oh, this is nice. I really like to keep this thing in home, you know, the sculptures and all.
ऐसे बॉक्स में होता है ना तो और अच्छा।
Yeah. But वो उनके लिए bro, हम नहीं कर सकते. They have the oxygen mask and all. So I was telling about the management. So what they have done is they have not kept a niche. सब mix कर दिया है. मतलब if you have a niche for what you have come over here, वो है ही नहीं. So outside there is a world record thing. You saw that?
हाँ ऊपर उधर।
That's it. This side?
एंट्रेंस हाउस है कोने पर।
Yeah. All the antique and even that window is really good. The mirror. No, but it's really good, yeah. That finish is good on that.
Watch vlog, you will see me.
Exactly. Oh, Eureka. What's up?
ऐसा है।
All good, all good.
इधर भी ले लो।
What are these?
This is a VR kit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's a 3D printer. This is our Eureka. Pura system is called Eureka.
Okay.
And this is another 3D printer.
मेरे लिए भी एक मास्क बना के दे दे. फ्री वाला.
सर को बोलिए. मेरा बहुत साइड है. सर करके दे.
So guys, we came out of the stadium to explore some other things as I told in the morning, and you can see this is the Goa's highest boom lift. 40 meters high it can go up to. यार इतना छोटा लग रहा है वो, पर guess how much is going? 40 meters. हाँ?
सिद्धि के लिए अच्छा पड़ेगा।
हाँ सिद्धि
हाइट बढ़ाने
सिद्धि गिड्डी है ना इसके लिए. अरे they have the ATV here also.
अरे वरना यही काफी है।
So I had come in the morning over there just to see how it is, and even I'm not sure कुछ तो है वो 120 square meter के अंदर they have built this entire wooden thing for within 10 hours something with a group of 22 people. It was like that. So this is the layout of the house, what they have built inside. Entire thing. तीन घर?
तीन घर जैसा।
Oh, like 3 divisions. Got it. So the entire thing, like people can pause and read it. इतना डिस्क्रिप्शन दूंगा तो फिर व्लॉग ही एकदम लंबा हो जाएगा. दैट also there. So inside, if you go inside, सब एक्सप्लेनेशन करने के लिए रुक जाएंगे. तो
ये मेरा सोफा है, ये
हाँ.
उसका सोफा है। चल, हमने घर देखा,
हाँ.
पॉज करके वो देखो प्लान मालूम पड़ेगा।
फूड कोर्ट तो मैंने दिखाया है, बट फूड कोर्ट some of my teammates have gone there and they are like it's horrible फूड कोर्ट. इसके लिए हम लोग ने भी खाना भी बाहर से ही मंगाया है, और स्विगी भी. Many things are there, even Domino's pizza is there, but it is nonsense it seems. No taste, nothing. So we aren't eating from here anything. So our people have already ordered from outside. McD order किया है, वही खाएंगे अभी. क्योंकि Domino's वाले यहाँ पे इसके लिए लोग यही नहीं कर रहे, एंटरटेन ही नहीं कर रहे.
So there is one more world record something ahead. We'll just go and we'll show you there. Yeah, I've shown this entire thing, but not shown this part. This is Shushegat Balgaon, and I think it's like a food court, but then also a bar, I think, right? They have a garafon over there, 2-3 garafon like a liquor. This thing it will be there, party and all. Looks like that only.
Nice aesthetic.
Maybe during the evenings.
टेबल पीस दिखा रहा हूँ उनको.
Which table piece? Okay, that one with the fruit and all. This is broken. This looks good.
Anyone interested in marriage, please contact. Then
Sushigar Balgaon. And then this also is there. Yeah, it looks good, yeah.
like we're having a Goan wedding.
Exactly.
Setup.
Who needs a Goan vibe, no?
Who
They
like
can-
go outside and require a Goan.
Correct.
Like proper this.
Proper it is. Nice. And then let's go this side. I'm not sure वहाँ पे क्या है. There is something, but वहाँ जाते हैं. Suicide point. No, actually there is something over here. Grand Hall. I think the inauguration and whatever closing ceremony and all is going to have to take place this year rather than inside. तो लोग ने स्पेशली कुछ बनाया होगा. Let's go in and check. Grand Hall is written. देखते हैं क्या है. Enter from gate 2 and see what it is. जी.
खोलो बाहर.
अच्छा बाहर. Then pool. I don't know. Oh, as expected, it was a hall for inauguration and whatever meetings and all. Yeah.
वो सब दिखाया ना. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3.
Correct. Yeah, nothing here. All music. This thing is there. But it's cool in here, no? Because they have packed up everything, no? That is also there. चलो जाएंगे इधर से. हो गया. ज़्यादा कुछ तो है नहीं. म्यूजिक चल रहा है. I hope it's not copyrighted. जैसे आए थे वैसे चलो. हाय गर्मी. एक तो ब्लैक पहना है, उसमें इतनी धूप लग रही है ना.
इधर से एंट्री वाली.
हाँ चलो इधर से जाएंगे. क्या गिरा रहा है? जेब में डाल के रख. ऊपर की जेब में रख. So back we are going in. I guess there's nothing else to show. I think that is it, right? So in the 3-day event you can just come and you can have a brief of the business, global business and all the local businesses
जब तक ये
around.
ब्लॉग आएगा ये सब खत्म होगा. तो बाद में किधर आएंगे ये लोग?
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या.
Next year आएंगे. Okay, that's the ultraviolet. Ultraviolet.
हाँ मैंने इसमें देखा ना हमारा
So
बाइक का
I'm not sure if it is the same bike, but near to our office in Sandines we have a exactly similar bike which is parked always. Yes, I think it's the same one, huh? The new ultraviolet F77.
हाँ वही है वो.
It's not that heavy, huh?
बैठा तुमने?
Yeah, I sat and I saw. But the only thing is when you sit on it, no, it gives you an alert and directly it sends to this thing.
फोन पर उसको.
Yeah. To the person or the owner, like. Chalo guys, if you enjoyed this chota sa vlog, don't forget to hit the like button. Leon is here and we are planning for something, so let's see. So अभी तो फिलहाल हम लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं. It's too hot. Let's see now. Anyway, everything is short over here. So if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget the like button नया हो subscribe करो. With that said, as always, Masalama take care and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.